Everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a gorgeous 1971 Chevrolet C10 short box. Killer little truck, guys. Truck's been done for a few years. It was a complete frame-off restoration in a good looking truck. I think this is called, it's got a two-tone, it's Glenwood green and pure white. Love the color combination. I wish we had some sun on it. Then it's got those 20-inch replica wheels. Those are kind of the factory looking wheel. That's a billet wheel. That these are super cool. But just a good looking truck. Good solid straight body. It's done underneath. I mean, you're looking for a nice C10. I mean, this is a super nice truck. A couple little marks on your trim there. Some little touch-up mark. Slick paint though. Again, good looking color. And they put some miles on this truck. I think this truck's got like 10,000 miles on it. So they built it to drive it. You can see the padded dash in there. There's a little dust on there. Love the seats in there, super comfortable. This is a custom aluminum bed, so you don't have to worry about it rotting or anything like that. That's all aluminum. It's really cool, really neat. It's the second one I've had like that. Another touch-up mark. Nice truck. Again, I really like the color combination. Again, I love these trucks. It's a great body style. Nice and straight down the side. Sits good. Very nice underneath. That's just a good looking truck. Killer set of wheels. That side trim's really nice. Excuse me, 350 Chevy small block. Edelbrock 4-barrel, detailed up real nice underneath the hood here. Stock intake, it's got the high performance exhaust manifolds, power steering, power front disc brakes. Does have aftermarket AC that blows cold. .400 turbohydramatic trans. That is just a good looking truck. Chrome mirror. Door handles look good. Door seams are nice and clean. Love this seat. Super comfortable. Stock door pads. New carpet. Sorry, we just got a little dusty getting in and out of here. Love the seat. Custom leather and suede. It's got a little teal stitching to it, which is really cool. Sport steering wheel. Love the dash. Got a Dakota VHX gauge cluster in it. Retrosounds sound system with the custom kick panels and everything. Really, like I say, nice truck. Flowmaster dual exhaust, stock 12-bolt rear axle. Again, that aluminum bed is pretty neat. Make sure I get it closed. And again, as always, we got photos of the truck underneath, but very nice on the bottom side. Yeah, I dig it, man. That's just a good looking little C10. Man, I love trucks. I don't know what it is about them, but I love driving them, love the looks of them. And I must not be the only one, because I know we sell the heck out of them. Factory padded dash. Yeah, that seat is really nice. I don't know who manufactured that, but that is a nice seat. Ready to just get your air on. Air blows ice cold. Yeah, that's just a good truck right there. Got a real good look to it. I love the two-tone. Yeah, 10,374 miles, so they broke this one in, which is nice. Gauges are all functioning, hope you can see that. Oh, it's great oil pressure over there. Oh, we got a brake light out. We'll check it. Sure, it's just a bulb. Usually we get in here and wiggle them around and they work. Good sounding Flowmaster. You can see they put a new blower motor and everything in it. Radio functions. Everything opens and closes nice. I got something on this side. Yeah, we got a bulb on that side too. We'll check it. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram page and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time we post a new video, guys. Great way to keep track of us. Truck sits good. It's got a great stance.